Want to learn how to create multiple choice questions in LearnWorlds? Whether you're building an online course or a quiz, creating engaging multiple choice questions can help you assess your students effectively. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do just that, so stick around to the end because I'll also reveal an exclusive offer and some alternatives that might work even better for your needs. First things first, let's jump into the LearnWorlds platform. If you don't have an account yet, it's super easy to sign up. Once logged in, navigate to the Courses section and choose the course where you want to add your multiple choice question. Next, you'll need to create a quiz. Go ahead and click on the Quizzes tab in the left sidebar. If you've never created a quiz before, don't worry. It's a simple process. Click on the Create Quiz button, and this will bring you to a screen where you can set up your quiz's title, description, and settings. Now, the real fun begins. Once your quiz is set up, click on Add Question to start creating your multiple choice question. You'll see a variety of question types, but for this, we're going to select multiple choice. Then, you'll enter the question text. Be sure to make it clear and concise, as you want your students to easily understand the question. Once you've added your question, you'll input your possible answers. You can add as many answer options as you like, but make sure to mark the correct answer. This will be the answer that your students need to select to pass the question. Next, let's talk about settings. You'll have the option to add feedback for correct and incorrect answers. This is a great way to give your students immediate feedback on their performance, which can help them learn. Now, the fourth thing, once you're happy with the question and answers, click Save Question and repeat this process to add more questions. The good news is that LearnWorlds lets you easily rearrange questions, so if you want to shuffle the order or update answers later, you can do so without hassle. And that's how you add multiple choice questions in LearnWorlds. Now that you know how to create these questions, let's talk about whether LearnWorlds is the best option for you. While LearnWorlds is a solid platform with great features for course creators, it does have its drawbacks. For one, its interface can feel a little overwhelming for beginners, and the pricing is on the higher end compared to some alternatives. But don't worry, I have a recommendation that might suit your needs even better. If you're looking for an easier, more user-friendly platform to create multiple choice questions, I recommend checking out Insert Alternative Software. It's a fantastic alternative with a more streamlined interface and pricing options that are more budget-friendly, especially if you're just starting out. Now, here's the best part. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Plus, these platforms also have free trials, so you can test them out and see if they work better for your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your exclusive deal by clicking the link in the description.